Welcome back, brilliant biologists. Today we are tackling one of the most important and misunderstood comparisons in biology: photosynthesis versus cellular respiration. These processes are like nature's yin and yang. One stores energy, the other releases it. By the end of this lesson, you'll finally see how they connect into one beautiful cycle. Grab your metaphorical chloroplasts and mitochondria. We're going in. At its core, life on Earth runs on an energy loop. Photosynthesis captures light energy and stores it in chemical bonds, kind of like charging a battery. Cellular respiration then takes that stored energy and releases it for use. That's your battery being drained to power your day. Together, they form the ultimate biological partnership. It's teamwork at the molecular level. Photosynthesis happens inside chloroplasts, the green powerhouses found in plants and animal cells. Here, sunlight powers the conversion of carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. It's like solar panels, but organic and self-repairing. The process not only fuels the plant, but also produces the oxygen we breathe. So, yes, thank a leaf for every breath you take. Cellular respiration takes place in the mitochondria, the so-called powerhouses of the cell. Here, glucose and oxygen are broken down to release energy in the form of ATP. The byproducts? Carbon dioxide and water. Exactly what photosynthesis needs. It's the ultimate biological recycling system. If photosynthesis is the deposit, respiration is the withdrawal. Together, photosynthesis and respiration create a continuous energy cycle. The glucose and oxygen made by plants become fuel for animals and even the plants themselves. Respiration then produces carbon dioxide and water, which plants reuse to start the process again. It's like an eternal molecular relay race, passing the energy baton from sunlight to life. Let's have a friendly organelle showdown. The chloroplast captures energy from the sun, while the mitochondrion captures energy from food. Chloroplasts are like solar panels. Mitochondria are like batteries. And just to keep things fair, remember, even plants have mitochondria. They use both systems. In short, one makes sugar, the other spends it. If you flip one process's equation, you basically get the other. Photosynthesis builds glucose using carbon dioxide and water. Respiration breaks down that same glucose to release energy, producing carbon dioxide and water. It's nature's version of what goes around comes around. The balance keeps our biosphere running, like a well-tuned machine powered by sunlight. Plants are multitaskers. They perform both photosynthesis and respiration. Animals and fungi only respire using glucose provided by plants. And let's not forget decomposers. They recycle all the organic matter back into nutrients. It's a whole planetary net teamwork system. So yes, even your compost pile is part of the global energy economy. For your exams, focus on comparing inputs, outputs, and locations. If the question asks, how do photosynthesis and respiration relate? Think energy flow and recycling of matter. Be ready to describe the role of ATP as the common energy currency. And always remember, chloroplasts capture energy, mitochondria cash it in. That's the golden rule. Let's face it, these topics can twist your neurons into knots. Many students forget that plants also use respiration, or that energy and matter flow in different directions. A good trick: remember that energy flows, but matter cycles. If you can keep that straight, you'll be ahead of half your class. Bonus: write the two equations side by side until they stick. It's molecular muscle memory. Photosynthesis and respiration aren't just test equations. They are the foundation of life itself. Together, they keep oxygen, carbon dioxide, and energy in balance across the planet. Without photosynthesis, no food. Without respiration, no usable energy. It's the biological handshake that keeps Earth alive and breathing. Nature truly thought this one through. Let's summarize. Photosynthesis captures light and makes glucose. Respiration breaks down glucose to release energy. One builds, one burns, and together they make life possible. Review this pairing often. It's a classic on every AP and IB exam. Thanks for watching, scholars. Stay curious, stay green, and may your mitochondria always be mighty. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out Dr. B's tutorials on Amazon for full AP study guides and IB study guides. See the first link in the comments below. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.